When you escalate a code yellow to a code red or initiate a code red, you will see this screen with the precautionary notification. The information from the incident will be included automatically. However, please take the time to update the details and location based on any additional information you may have received. I am going to update this according to the situation at hand. Lastly, you will need to initiate a code red action, and then select Initiate Code Red. Teachers, staff, and substitutes will be alerted in the event of a code red. You may want to consider accompanying a code red with a PA announcement or a classroom call, inviting your staff to log in to Catapult EMS for more information. You will see your screen change to a summary page with the details of the code red. At this point, please follow your site's code red lockdown procedure and return back to your device after you and the students around you are safe. In the next step, you will need to report your status and GPS location before moving on to your code red dashboard. First is reporting your location and status. Please include a room number or location. We will pick up your GPS location automatically. And also pick a status that best represents your situation. Now you will see the code red dashboard. You will see the active code red bar at the top of your screen. You will notice your SST chat and conversation has been carried over from the previous code yellow. You have a send message bar, which allows you to send a message to all staff or the site safety team only. This message will go out to staff and safety team members at your site, not district-wide. You also have access to your code red detail and have the ability to update it at any point. Updating the code red details will notify the teachers, staff, and substitutes at your site with a pop-up notification on their Catapult EMS dashboard. When it is updated, you will notice the code red detail bar will change colors to alert you on the site dashboard. In the Update Actions section of your dashboard, you will see 3 accountability tools on the top half and 3 actionable items on the bottom half. Staff status will take you to a list of the teachers that have reported their status. This is also a tool to see a list of all of your teachers' contact information, status, room numbers, the students they have accounted for, GPS location, and the messages they have sent. If a staff member or teacher has reported their status, you will see a green comment box next to their name. You can use this to send a direct message that will only be received by that one person. You also have the ability to edit staff status and search for a specific teacher. To view the students currently with a staff member, select the View button. The next tool is the Student Accountability Report. Here you can see a quick summary of the student's accountability, and you can search all columns to find a specific student. In this section, you can see the name, student status, staff member assigned to that student at that time, who they were accounted by, if they have been accounted, and the time they were accounted for. If a student is unaccounted for, you can report their status here with a quick button. Here, we recommend going through and accounting for the students that have been reported as absent through the office staff, if you are able to do so. You can see there is a staff tab here as well for you to view your staff quickly. Next, you will see a checklist. This is the procedure required during this type of code red. These procedures are put into place by your district safety team and will help you know what items need to be completed for this incident. Once an item is completed, click Mark as Complete. You will see your name, date, and time replace the green button. This helps site safety teams coordinate activities without duplicating actions. Next is your status. You can update your status at any time by clicking here. Your status report will be reflected here. Upon updating it, you will see the status change. Staff locations is an important tool to know where your staff are and what their status report is. The pens below represent types of status, and you can filter them on and off by clicking on the pen. You can zoom in or out, and also zoom to site or refresh your map. You will have access to use district messaging at any point. For example, if you want to alert locations near you that you are on a lockdown, this is a good tool. I am going to alert the site safety team from a nearby site that we are on a lockdown. Keep in mind that this is a one-way communication. If they want to contact you, they will need to contact you outside of Catapult EMS. You will have the ability to send messages out district-wide, so please be mindful when using this tool. In the Resources section, you can add a first responder if there is not already one on the site safety team. A first responder will have access to the same information as a site safety team member to act and react in the Code Red situation. Once the Code Red is complete, they will no longer have access to your site in Catapult EMS. Your evacuation map is a quick reference tool to know the most up-to-date evacuation map, so your entire staff and first responders are viewing the same map. This tool is also available to your teachers and staff on their Catapult EMS dashboard. To change a map, you will need to email your Catapult EMS support team at support@catapultems.com. Emergency procedures helps everyone know the correct actions that need to take place during a Code Red action. For example, in a lockdown, anyone from your site would be able to open up this section and know to close all their doors, lock them, etc. And you can be sure everyone is going to follow the same procedure. This is also available to everyone at your site. Emergency scripts are scripts put into place by your district to help you communicate correctly with parents in various emergency situations. You can copy these scripts if you need to using this button. Lastly, the big green button is used to resolve the Code Red. When you click on it to resolve your Code Red, you will see a secondary screen. Please make sure you want to resolve the Code Red and also include details of how the Code Red was resolved. These details are important for debriefing and to help answer your staff's questions. These details are included in the resolution email and text, so please be concise, but keep the details to a minimum. The teachers, staff, and substitutes at your site, along with the district safety team and your district and site first responders, will receive an alert via text, email, and dashboard pop-up letting them know that the Code Red was resolved. Once a Code Red is resolved, you will also receive the same alert via text and email. This report will also be saved in the incident history. When your dashboard is in passive mode, simply click on Incident Reports and click on the Code Red. If you click on the Code Red Detail button, you will see additional information here as well, with different tabs at the top based on the information you are looking for. Next, we will be talking about Catapult EMS in drill mode and menu information.